Good day, viewers. Welcome to my channel. Fill to mouth. Fill to mouth. Today I'm going to prepare for you custard pap. Custard pap. Onto a bowl, you pour a little custard powder, add a little water, and mix thoroughly until it is very smooth. Until it is very smooth. You stir it back and forth until it is very smooth. You can see we have a very smooth liquid of custard smoothie. Yeah, after that, you have on your cooker a pot of water. A pot of water, just a cup of water. You add it into your pot and allow it to boil. Place a cup of water into your pot and allow it to boil. When the water is boiling, you pour your already liquid powder that you have mixed with water. You pour it into the boiling water and you stir consistently. You stir very well so that it doesn't form glum. So you stir consistently. You can see me stirring it. You stir it little by little. You already prepare liquid custard powder that you have mixed with water. You add it consistently, little by little, on the cooker into the boiling water. And you wait until it forms a very smooth custard pap. You can see that's my custard pap. It is very thick. That's the reason why you can see me adding water. And I'll stir it consistently until it is well cooked. That's a custard powder. Well cooked powder. Well cooked custard pap. I'm stirring it until it gives me a very smooth paste. Please, I want you to like. I want you to subscribe. I want you to follow. I want you to share. Custard is very good for both young and old. You can take it in the morning. You can take it in the afternoon. And you can heat it with moi moi any time of the day. Thanks for watching.